Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. We're just going to say Wacky Wednesday. Last night, I prepared creamy Cajun chicken pasta. Oh, it was good. It was really good. I gave probably about 4 stars. I added a few things. I added some baby bell mushrooms quartered and an orange bell pepper. I was trying to mix up some colors because it had tomato in it for the red and parsley, and but I just decided to go orange. But I had a weird thing happen. I had the outer skin of the orange pepper, like in the heat from cooking, come off. It was unusual, strange. Yeah. Typically, I don't have it happen with the red, because I normally use red bell peppers because they're sweeter. And Robin can't eat green, even though Robin was here last night. But yeah, it was weird. And I added a little extra cayenne. My casual chef Cajun seasoning it has cayenne in it, but it doesn't have a lot. And I've been really doing the heat lately. Yeah. So tonight is super simple, super easy. I'm going to have to flip a coin to figure out which one I'm going to cook, bake, prepare. Red Baron pizza. Let's go. Hardware's out. That's it. That's all I need. Sheet pan. Actually, I use it as a peel. Pizza peel. So I've got a 4 cheese or a special deluxe. So you can see where the coin comes in. I got these on sale. When they're about $5 a piece, I buy them, or I try to. I have a plethora of hot sauces, including pickled jalapenos to go on top of either one. Again, I'm into heat right now. This little bad boy, this Tabasco sweet and spicy sauce, is very yummy. I basically sit down with a bag of corn chips, like tortilla chips, and just that sauce. Oh, yum. I hope Tabasco keeps that around for a long time. All right, so you'll find out later which way the coin toss goes. So on this Wacky Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.